Science just confirmed something most people refuse to believe. Women get bored in relationships faster than men. Not because they love less, not because they are emotionally unavailable, but because of something deeper, something happening inside the psychology of desire that almost nobody talks about. And once you understand it, everything changes. In the next few minutes, you're going to understand exactly why this happens, at a biological level, at a psychological level, and at a personal level. This is not a list of complaints. This is a map of how female desire actually works. Here is the part that will genuinely surprise you. It has almost nothing to do with the man she is with. Hold that thought. At the start of every relationship, the brain is flooded with dopamine, that rush of excitement, anticipation, the feeling that this person is everything. That is chemistry doing its job. But over time, that dopamine fades. It gets replaced by oxytocin, the attachment hormone. Calm, stable, secure. For men, this transition is smooth. Studies show men remain satisfied with a long-term partner for nearly a decade before reporting any boredom. For women, the drop is steeper. Research tracking tens of thousands of adults found that women begin losing sexual and emotional interest within the first 1 to 4 years of a committed relationship. The comfort that should feel like safety starts feeling like stillness. And stillness, for the female brain, reads as boredom. Psychotherapist Esther Perel spent decades studying intimacy, and she made one observation that explains everything. Female desire is not mechanical, it is contextual. A woman is not turned on by a fixed switch, she is turned on by a story, by mystery, by feeling that something is still unfolding. When a relationship becomes fully known, fully predictable, the story stops. And when the story stops, so does her desire. She does not lose interest in love, she loses interest in routine, dressed up as love. Now, here is the layer nobody mentions. As relationships mature, most women quietly shift into a caretaking role, managing the home, managing emotions, thinking about everyone else's needs. And desire cannot survive in that mental space. For a woman to feel genuinely drawn to her partner, she needs to stop being a caretaker for a moment and become the main character again. She needs to feel wanted, not needed. There is a difference, and it is everything. So here is what this all means. She did not fall out of love. She fell out of context. Her desire did not disappear. It went looking for novelty, for mystery, for a story worth staying in. The solution is never doing more of the same thing. It is introducing something the relationship has stopped providing: unpredictability, presence, and the quiet reminder that she is still someone worth pursuing. If you are a man watching this, this might feel confusing, maybe even unfair. You showed up, you stayed consistent, you did what you thought love required. That consistency is not the problem, but consistency without spark is just routine, and routine is the quiet killer of desire. If this gave you a new way of seeing things, there is one more piece of female psychology that connects directly to this: why women are drawn to emotional intensity over comfort, and what that means for long-term attraction. We broke that down in full detail. It is right here when you are ready.